Regular verbs. Regular verbs in English are those that follow a fixed rule to form the past simple and past participle. You just need to add ed to the base form of the verb. They are easy to recognize and use. For example, walk, walked. How to spell. If the verb ends in a silent e, simply add d. For example, live, lived. Love, loved. Bake, baked. For most verbs, simply add ed. For example, talk, talked. Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched. Verbs ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, CVC double the last consonant before adding ed. For example, stop, stopped. Plan, planned. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add ed. For example, cry, cried. Carry, carried. Study, studied. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Write your answers in the comments below. Let's practice together.